Indo-Chinese mushroom starter is one of my favorite comfort food. The flavors and textures of this recipe is quite an addictive one, and my undying love for mushrooms makes it all the more difficult for me to order any other starter, especially when I'm out dining. And even as I speak of this, my taste buds crave for them. So today in Spice Box, I'm going to show you how to make chili mushrooms. So to make the chili mushrooms, you will need some mushrooms, capsicum, spring onions, soy sauce, tomato sauce, some ginger, chili sauce, garlic, sugar, vinegar, corn flour, the spring onion white, and some oil. Now for the batter, you will need all-purpose flour, you'll need some corn flour, garlic, salt, pepper, and some ginger. So first I'm going to start by making the batter. So you add the all-purpose flour first, the corn flour, salt, ginger, garlic, and some pepper powder. Just give them a little mix before you add the water. Now to make a smooth paste, you should add some water to this. Mix them up well till the clumps disappear. Now once the batter is ready, you slowly add the mushrooms. Mix them up well till each mushroom is coated with flour. You set this aside. Now the pan is hot, you can add the oil. Once the oil is hot, you can start slowly putting in the mushrooms. So the mushrooms are done. Now you turn off the heat and transfer them onto a plate. So I'm going to be using the same pan with the oil to fry my next ingredients. So I'm going to start by frying the garlic. Next you add the ginger. Give this a little stir. You fry this till the raw smell disappears. Next, I'm going to add the onions, the spring onions, the whites of it. You fry this till the onion loses its color. Now, once this is done, you add the capsicum. You fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now you add the red chili sauce, followed by the tomato sauce. Just stir them up. Then you add the soy sauce. It's exactly half a teaspoon. The soy sauce gives a nice color to this. Next, you add the vinegar, a little bit. Followed by a pinch of sugar. Now you can start adding the deep fried mushrooms. Just combine them well before you start your next process. You can add a little water to this. Add a little bit of corn flour. Once the corn flour is added, you can allow this to cook for 2 minutes. The chili mushrooms are done. You can now turn off the heat and transfer them to a bowl. You can now finally garnish this with some nice spring onions. This one makes a good starter and can also be had with rice or rotis of your choice.